Molnar here, your Team Beachbody coach and NCCPT personal trainer. Wanted to touch base about working out. We all work out for various reasons. We want to see a number on the scale, which is not something I always say. Don't be a slave to the scale, because sometimes if your clothes fit better or you go down a size, that matters more than a number on the scale. So try to avoid that. If you do weigh yourself, do it once a week, not once a day. Do it once a week. Stay on track, stay focused. You can't lose 1 pound that quickly. It's 3,500 calories. So focus on that. But other reasons people work out are, they want to wear different clothing at different stores that they haven't been able to wear before, or they want to be able to do a 5K and not be dying. So something interesting happened to me yesterday, and I didn't think about it until now, but if I had not started my journey with working out and Beachbody and doing the different programs, I've become a better runner using the Beachbody programs, and I've become a heck of a lot stronger. My definition is better. Everything is better, and it's all under 30 minutes, which I need. So yesterday I was mowing the lawn, and my almost 2-year-old said, I help Mama. So here I was, mowing the lawn with one hand and holding on to her hand on the other one. I never would have been able, and try it, to mow the lawn one-handed, turning corners, all this stuff. And I thought, that's strength. That's just not about wearing a specific shirt and feeling good in it, or being able to lift as much weight. It's about living my everyday life and me holding onto my daughter's hand, being able to push. That was pretty cool, and I just wanted to share that with you. So don't always look at it as I have to work out and eat clean and stay focused for aesthetic reasons. It can be reasons of holding on to your almost 2-year-old's hand while you mow the lawn the entire way, and I was very proud. And she just kept walking right with me as I mowed the lawn. And I didn't want to let go of her hand, but I wanted to get the lawn done. And she was proud. She kept looking up at me and smiling, and that meant the world to me. So I just want to share that with you. I hope you guys have a great weekend and a happy, healthy day.